Now I know what you're all thinking. Can you bring your grandma back from the dead? No, unless you subscribe. No, but real talk, I know what you're actually thinking. Will a quesadilla taste good as a smoothie? Now it's worked in all the old-fashioned forms. You know, the thing about a quesadilla is it's plain, it's simple, it's easy and quick. Now, I think we should take it one step further because my mind is absolutely insane! All right, ladies and germs, first things first, we're gonna need our ingredients. So first, we're gonna have a tortilla, and I'm using the carb-balanced tortillas because, you know, we're trying to get shreddy for summer, right? Then I would choose a plant-based cheese because your boy's lactose intolerant. Now, I know everybody thinks making a quesadilla is a, you know, simple procedure, but there really is a fine art and craft that goes into perfecting the form of a quesadilla. You know, step 1, put on the pan. 2, add the cheese. And then 3, let's put some red peppers on there because we're a little spicy, but not too spicy, you know, don't want to flame it up too much. And then you're gonna fold that bad boy in half, right? But then it's the next step. It's all about how you decide to absolutely annihilate your quesadilla with a knife. You know, I prefer a nice solid chef's knife, one that, you know, might easily be able to move through flesh as well as it does, you know, tortilla. And this one does a trick wonderfully. And next, of course, like I said, your boy's lactose intolerant, so we're using a little zesty vanilla almond milk, dumping that right in on the quesadilla inside our little blender bottle. And then we just get to watch the madness unfold here as you blend together a quesadilla. And it's a sight you only see ever so often in your life, and I'm glad I'm sharing this with y'all. Just like that, that is pretty much the procedure. Let's see how it tastes. As you can see, our final product looks kind of similar to that of baby vomit. So I'm not gonna waste any time here. Let's just try it out. Ugh. Oh God. You know, I'm curious, what if like Hallmark made a scent like this, like blended vomit quesadilla? I think that would sell pretty well seasonally. All right, enough stalling. Oh, the cheese. If you're looking to just quickly pound a quesadilla down, this might be the way to do it. If you have problems swallowing solid foods and you just can't live without your quesadillas, this might be it. I'd say out of 10, maybe like a 0.75 on the taste scale. Gotta be real. On scent side, that's probably maybe a 2. That's a little better on the scent side, but I am absolutely not gonna consume any more after that.
Yo, if you stuck around for this video, I appreciate you so much. Be sure to drop a like and a comment, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell so you see my videos popping up at all times. My name is Alex, and I would love to hear from you. Yeah, yo.